Viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn menu of GHL, in which we will discuss about Launchpad menu, and also we will discuss about the conversation as well. Let's dive into sub account and without wasting time, and I will teach you how you can access your Launchpad and what's the benefit of Launchpad. We can check in it. This is my sub account for my agency. It's not my agency, it's my client account, so I just take permission from them, and I will teaching you from here as well. Yeah, this is a basic dashboard of our sub account. It's a controlled by a agency, but it's a private your account in which you can create your own funnels, your own automations, your own emails, your own websites as well. And let's move in the launchpad. The first features the in sub account we can see here there is a few functionalities that are provided by a GoHighLevel in by default, in which they are just giving us instructions. First of all, need to install app in our iPhone and Android, and also here we can link our GMB Google My Business. If you have Google My Business account and you have your business on a Google My Business, you can link it. You can, after the linking, you can receive SMS calls and reviews of GMB in your GoHighLevels conversation tab, and you will get all of your notification in a one place. Connect your social media like Facebook, Instagram, or any other social media that you want to link with it, and you can bring all of your leads and all of your pages and all of your audience in a GHL and GoHighLevel, and you can track and you can communicate with track and communicate with your audience. In a website, we will integrate website icon to our website, and this is just ready to go instructions from GoHighLevel for sub account. And contact your Stripe account, add your payment method. It should be a Stripe account, it should be a PayPal, it should be a any other payment method you can connect with them. And also you can add your team member as well. They can handle your landing pages, they can handle your automations, they can handle their workflow, each and everything. You can quickly add your team member here, and they can handle your all of your websites automations and everything from here. Okay, that's it from this video. Hopefully we will meet in the next video. We will discuss about the conversation tab. Then we will learn about calendars in details, contacts in a detail, and opportunities in a detail, marketing. We will learn all these functionality in next few videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully we will meet in the next video.